Assalamualaikum dear students, this is Naeem Safdar from Orchard Grammar School. In this video you will learn equal matrices. How can we decide the two given matrices are equal or not? For this we have definition. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Let's suppose we have two matrices A and B. Now we are going to decide either they are equal or not. For this, first observe their order. Order of first matrix is 2 by 2. Why? Because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. It has order 2 by 2. Order of second matrix. Second matrix, it has 2 rows and 2 columns, so its order is 2 by 2. Now order of both the matrices are same. Now observe their corresponding elements. Are they equal or not? 1, 5 minus 4 is also 1. 1 equals to 1. 2 is equals to root 4. 2 is equals to, we know root 4 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. Yes, 3 equal to 3. 4 is equal to 2 to the. Yes, 4. 4 is equals to 4. Order of both the matrices are same and their corresponding elements are equal. So these two matrices are equal. We can decide A is equals to B. Why? Because as order of A is equals to order of B. Corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. So we can say this matrix and this matrix A is equals to B, that is equal matrices. Now we have question exercise 6.2 which is on page number 143. Decide whether the two matrices are equal or not. We have to decide these two matrices are equal or not. For this, first observe their order, second match the corresponding elements. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Why? Because it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. Order of this matrix 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 by 2. Orders of both the matrices are same. Now observe their corresponding elements. Are they equal or not? 5 equal to 6 minus 1. Yes, 5. 5 equal to 5. 9 is equals to 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9, so 9 equal to 9. 6 is equals to 5 plus 1. Yes, 6 is equal to 6. 4 is equals to 2 plus 2, 4. Yes, they are equal matrices. So we can decide equal matrices. In question 1, both the matrices are equal. Equal matrices. In next question, question number 2. We have two matrices. Are they equal or not? First observe their order. Order of first matrix. It contains 2 rows and 1 column. Now observe order of second matrix. It has 1 row and 2 columns. Now observe order of first matrix is 2 by 1 and order of second matrix is 1 by 2. Order of both the matrices are not same, so they are not equal. Now observe, in first matrix we have 3 and 7, but in second matrix we also have 3 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Elements are same, 3 is 7, 3 7, but first observe order. If order is not equal, then there is no need to observe the matching elements. Just first observe order. As order of both the matrices are not same, so they are not equal. Not equal. Not equal. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have two matrices. Are they equal or not? For this, observe their order. Order of first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of second matrix is also 2 by 2. Now observe their corresponding elements. Are they equal or not? 5 plus 2, 7. 19. 9 plus 10 is 19. 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. 7 minus 1 is 6. But this is also 6. Order is same, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and the corresponding elements are also same. So these two matrices are also equal matrices. I hope you understood the concept of equal matrices. In case of any query, you may comment. Inshallah, we will reply soon. Thank you.